Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this tablet. Firstly, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups and select while using the app and allow in all of them. So while using, allow. Now swipe up just a bit and click on Home button. Then you need to click on iOS Launcher, select Always and tap on Got it. As you can see, after that iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my TCL. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into Devices Settings, scrolling down and clicking on Apps over here. Then select Default Apps and tap on Home app. To go back into your default launcher, just click on it. If you wish to apply the Apple one, just click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!